this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID as check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the property is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Are available online for this property along with various discounts and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, you can tell us by commenting. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not